Welcome back to Birding by Sound with Rachel. Today we're going to talk about the sounds of the absolutely gorgeous Nashville Warbler. The Nashville Warbler is just beauty right here, with a bright yellow underside, gray cap, and bold white eye ring. They can be found in a variety of shrubby habitats throughout the year. Now let's talk about their sounds. The song of the Nashville Warbler consists of two parts. The first part consists of 4 to 5 two-noted phrases that sound kind of like a rapid sida, 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 sida. These lead directly into the second part, which is a short, rapid trill. Let's take a listen. Now let's talk about their calls. Nashville warblers utter metallic-sounding spink calls. Let's take a listen. Let's hear those songs and calls again. Thank you so much for listening. Please let me know in the comments if there are any bird sounds you're curious about.